a fixing point needs to be created for the soffit and fascia. 100 by 50 mm timber has been fixed down along the perimeter of the tack tray 90 into the support bars or upstands. As the soffit and fascia comes in 2 metre lengths, there may be a need to cut to size. Good practice is to use a masking tape where the cut will be required. Use a jigsaw, reciprocating saw or nibbler to make the cuts. Do not use an angle grinder as this can cause rusting to the edges. Remove the tape after the cut is complete. Although self-drill low-profile fasteners are being used, for ease of installation, pre-drilling may be beneficial. For this installation, an EPDM flat roof system with trims are being used. The fixing will need to be positioned below the trim line. From an aesthetic point of view, it is best to keep all fixings for the soffit and fascia in line. Position the first soffit fascia so the top of the fascia is level with the desired line. Secure the fascia to the supporting timber. A spirit level will help. Using the spirit level vertically against the fascia, this will aid in ensuring the soffit is in the right position to be secured. At a join, place a butt strap up to the soffit and fascia, ensuring that it is vertical. Fix with the relevant low profile fasteners. Mark and pre-drill the external corners, position and secure accordingly. Repeat the process for all the soffit and fascias and the accessories.